Welcome to Best Sunbeds, your trusted partner in the tanning industry. With over a decade of expertise, we provide everything you need to start and grow your tanning business. From state-of-the-art equipment to personalized business solutions together, we're here to elevate your salon to the next level. Best Sunbeds. Quality revamped. In this series of videos, we'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure your salon's success. Opening a tanning salon, what you need to know. A pre-installation checklist. Access to premises. When preparing for the installation of sunbeds, ensuring easy access to your premises is crucial. Sunbeds are heavy and require careful handling, so the installation team will need enough space for a 7-meter-long van to park as close to your salon as possible. A clear path is necessary to unload the bulky components and transport them safely inside. Make sure that the doors, corridors, and any passageways are wide enough to accommodate the equipment and ensure the route to the dedicated room or cubicle is free of obstacles. Proper access ensures a smooth installation process and prevents damage to both the equipment and your property. Insurance. When running a tanning salon, securing the right insurance is essential to protect your business. Liability insurance is crucial, covering any potential claims if a customer suffers an injury or adverse reaction during their session. It helps safeguard your business from costly lawsuits. Property insurance is equally important, as it protects your salon premises and contents from risks like fire, theft, or natural disasters. Installing sunbeds doesn't have to be stressful. Proper preparation is key. Make sure you watch every video in this series to cover all the crucial points on your installation checklist. Best Sunbeds. Your partner in creating the perfect tanning salon. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more expert tips.